What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Walid Shaker and I am a hair artist. If you like hair videos, anything about hair colors, haircuts, this is the channel for you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so you get notification every time I download the new videos and you don't miss anything. Today I'm going to do a beautiful haircut, blunt bob. Beautiful technique. If you like bobs, you like short hair, you like blonde bob, this is a different technique, new technique. I'm sure maybe lots of you they know this technique and maybe lots of you they don't know this technique, but I think this is a beautiful technique, easy and fast if you want to do and achieve gorgeous blonde bob. So let's go and do this video step by step together. Okay guys, so the first thing you're gonna do is follow my steps and do the same sectioning. I'm slowing down the speed of the video so you can focus more and you can see what exactly I'm doing and you follow my steps. Make sure to section very clean because the sectioning is a big part of the final result. So here, as you see, I'm taking center part and you see how I'm taking this curvy shape above to the occipital bone and I'm splitting it half evenly, and this is the sectioning. It's very easy sectioning, nothing complicated. Now when I will start cutting, some people they can control the hair with the comb. If you want, nothing wrong with that. I am here just doing like free cuts. I'm not controlling the hair with my comb because I'm comfortable that way. I did it many times and I like it. So you have just to be used to it, and if you don't feel comfortable the way I'm cutting, just you can use your comb to control the hair so it doesn't move anywhere. As you see, I'm very focused, and I'll tell you something, my shears, I'm using Mizutani shears. They are very, very sharp. That's why I am very confident the way I'm cutting, and I trust my shear, I trust my blades so much. So as I said, I love the way I'm cutting, and if you don't like it, you can use your comb to control the hair. So the first thing is I'm doing actually right now is I'm determining exactly the length where I want it to be. For sure, to cut the bob has to be above the shoulder to call it bob, because if it's lower than the shoulder area, it's not bob anymore. Anything above the shoulder, we can call it bob. So just, you know, the difference between bob and lob. So just I'm focusing so much to make sure that my hairline parameter very straight and very, very clean. So when you cut hair, guys, just try not to rush so much and take your time, enjoy what you're doing, because hair is beauty, and beauty just details mean you have to take your time, give it attention, put your skills in it, enjoy it, and don't rush it. So here you see, like, I'm doing just a little bit angle to the front to her face, and later I'll decide if I want to keep it a little bit angled or more straight. So here is, you see, after I finish the perimeter, look the angle I'm going to cut. You have to remember, if you lift the hair, you are going to layer, but here the way I'm cutting, the technique I'm cutting, I'm not layering. Look to the angle, the way I'm cutting the hair, I'm cutting diagonal, okay, to the head shape. So that's why I'm not going to lose my perimeter. If I'm cutting vertical, I'm going to layer the hair, and this is a huge difference from cutting diagonal line, because when I'm cutting diagonal line, I'm cutting from short on the perimeter, I'm protecting my length, and on the top is longer. So when the higher section of the hair goes down, is going to meet on the perimeter the same spot. So actually I'm not layering here, guys, because lots of you will be like shocked or something, like how he's elevating the hair and still not layering. So look for the technique, focus on my elevation, focus on my angle, the way I'm cutting, the angle I'm cutting, and then you'll understand exactly what I'm doing. So just I want to mention that so you don't have so many questions. It's very important when you're cutting, your tension and your elevation to stay steady. So consistency is a key when you cut hair or when you color. It doesn't matter what you do, the consistency is the key. So here if you notice that I start using my comb, and look how I'm tapping on the hair just to release any pressure on the section I'm cutting, because I don't want when I dry the hair to jump up. So I'm just combing down and I'm using the wide side of the comb, and then I tap on the hair to release any pressure, and just I follow my guideline. There's one thing I want to mention, guys, too. It's very important when you cut hair. Make sure the hair is wet enough. So if you cut one side very wet and one side dry, or little wet, so this is gonna make a huge difference in the final result. So consistency is a key, sectioning is a key, and the hair, if it's wet or dry, is a key too, because as I mentioned, you don't want to cut to one side wet and one side a little dry. Always make sure if it's dry, just get the spray bottle and spray the hair again, and make sure you cut the same way you cut on the other side, so you don't lose the consistency. Now I'm here, I'm using very light foam mousse from Aveda, and I will put the link in the description if you like it, so you can click on description and you buy it. And that's it. Now I'm going to style the hair, and after that I'm going to refine the hairline, and you're gonna see the final result. I hope you like this video, guys, and if you like my videos, don't forget to hit subscribe button and activate the bell button too, so you get notification and you don't miss any of my videos. Have a great day, and see you in another video, and ciao for now.